scared. Today, I'm gonna go ahead and start my butterfly garden series. I also want to start a new tradition of releasing a monarch butterfly at the end of each butterfly garden vlog. So stay tuned till the end to see that. Today, I'm going to be replanting 2 butterfly host plants. The first one is called a winter cassia, also known as a Christmas cassia. And this particular tree flowers in the fall, beautiful yellow blossoms, when all of the other trees and flowers have stopped blooming. It is also host to the yellow sulfur butterfly. Winter cassia tree, it needs to be repotted. And you can see it is getting bigger, but this is root bound. It was root bound. I loosened up the roots in here, and I'm gonna go ahead and pot it in this pot. Soil in, use organic soil when possible. I also did add fertilizer to it. The next plant is a native California ash tree, and this tree is host to the tiger swallowtail butterfly. Yep. So when you get really close, it's really hard. See all those roots? Totally root bound. And here are the trees we potted. This one too. Nice big pot. Finally, I am replanting a braided ficus tree. This is not a butterfly host plant. I inherited this plant with this unit, and as you will see, it desperately needed to be replanted. I'm scared. Poor tree. This tree was so neglected. It was never repotted properly into a larger pot. Instead, it was just stuck into another pot, and its roots grew out of the original pot into another pot. I had to cut the outer pot off, then cut these roots off, and then I was able to cut the nursery pot off. But I felt so bad for this tree. Thank you so much for watching. If you like garden, home, holistic, and simple living vlogs, this channel is for you. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. I'm gonna get it out.